Anyone?
No, sir.
Hello.
No, sir.
Yes,
Okay,
sir.
fine.
Doubts.
So today we will see another conversion, that is infix to prefix, because we have seen that there are three kind of Polish notation. One is prefix, one is postfix, and the usual one is infix. So we have seen that if the operator is in between the two operand, it is called as infix. If the operator is after the operand, it is called as postfix, and if the operator is before the operand, it is prefix, right? So let us start with infix to prefix. Right. So as you know, I've told you that in case of prefix, the operator is first and then operands are there, right? For example, plus AB. So this is the prefix, that is A plus B as infix expression. Okay. So from infix, sorry, from yes, from infix we have to convert to prefix. Okay. So let us consider one example. Say the infix expression is A star B plus C. Okay. So what we want that the operator which is there in between the two operand, that should be preceded by the operand, and that's why I have written this AB, A star B as star AB. Okay. So now this is considered as one and this is considered as other. So in between these two, again there is an operator. So that operator will take at the first. So this expression will become plus star ABC. Definitely there will be the rule of precedence, no doubt. But since we are doing manually, so by observation, I am doing that star will be done first and then addition will be done. If instead of this, it would be like this, say A plus B star C, then what it will become? Again, first I will write plus AB star C, and then at what I will write? Yes, what I will write?
Uh,
I will write here
Star plus ABC.
plus A star BC, because first BC is to be done, na, right? First B into C should be done. So we will append operator before BC and then we have to do addition. So first B into C will be done and then to that A will be added, right? So the operator which is having higher precedence will be having operation first and then the next operation, that is having less precedence. Okay. So if it is like this, then it will be plus A star BC. But if it is like this, A star B plus C, then definitely it is star AB and then plus C. Okay. So that's why it becomes plus star ABC. So this is a small example which we have considered here. The rules are same as that for postfix conversion. Okay. So if this example I have considered later. So here in the above expression, multiplication is having higher precedence than addition, and that's why we will first consider BC and append star to that, and then in second we will have this one operand and this is as another operand. So then we will use plus A star BC. Okay. Now let us take one example which consider all type of operations, right, repeatedly. So first we will see the example and then I will tell you the algorithm. Okay. In between, if anyone is having any problem, you can raise your hand or you can just interrupt me in between. So here the expression is like this: K plus L minus M star N plus in parenthesis O raised to P star W divided by U divided by V multiplied by T plus Q. So this is a big expression. So very first step for conversion is that we need first to reverse the expression. Very first thing which we should do is reversing the expression. So once you do the reverse, the equation will become like this: q plus t star into v multiply by divided by u divided by w star closing p raised to the power o opening plus n star m minus l plus k. Okay, so please keep in mind, since it is a prefix, we need to convert into prefix. The first step is to reverse the expression. Now, why this reverse step? Because the person who had developed this algorithm, right, who had developed this algorithm may, means he has tried, okay, and then he come with the conclusion that we need first to reverse the expression, right? So we got this expression, reverse expression. Simply you go to from right to left, you need to go and go on writing like this. So first q will be written, then plus t star, like this. Okay. Now, in order to convert this expression into infix, definitely we are going to use stack, as we are studying the topic of stack. So this is one of the application of the stack, where you will need to convert the prefix infix to prefix expression, right? So what we will do, we will first create a table in which we will have three fields. One is input expression, other is stack, and the third one is prefix expression. Since we will go on reading the symbol by symbol from the input expression, and accordingly we will manipulate the stack and we will generate the prefix expression, right? So the first step, what will be the first step? That if you encounter any symbol, symbol means operand, I am talking, not operator. Symbol means operand. So that symbol, if you are encountering, we had to simply add it to the prefix expression. Okay, whenever a symbol such as a b c d j k l m n o p q r, whatever symbol, we will simply add it to the prefix expression. And if we encounter the operator, then we will push it onto the stack, right? But while pushing onto the stack, we have to consider the rule of precedence. That we will see how that is being done. That we will see, right? So now this is the expression. So first I will read the symbol q. This is my input expression. One symbol I have read. Now this is operand. So directly I will put it in the prefix. Initially my prefix expression is null, right? So a q will be added. Then another symbol I have read, and that is operator. So I will push the operator onto the stack, and since this stack is empty here, right? So no need of comparison at all. If it is empty, directly this plus will be added to the stack, and your prefix will remain as it is, q. Then you are reading another symbol, that is t. Now that this t is operand, so directly we will append that operand to the prefix expression. So the prefix expression will become qt. Okay. So next symbol is what? Star. Now the star is read, and before pushing it onto the stack, what we will do, we will compare the precedence of this star with the plus. Now the precedence of star is higher than the plus, higher or equal, means it is higher actually. So we will push the star onto the stack, right? If the input operator precedence is higher than the symbol which is operator which is in the top of the stack, then we will push this star onto the stack. So your stack will become now plus star, and your expression will remain qt. Now you are reading another symbol v. So simply you are going to add the symbol v to the prefix expression qtv. Then the another symbol is divide. Now this divide will be compared with the top of the stack. What is the top of the stack? Star. Now star and slash, they are having equal priority, right? They are having equal priority. So we will push the symbol onto the stack. Okay. Then next u, again it is an operand, so it will be added to the prefix expression. Then again slash is there. So when slash is there, once again this slash will be compared with the top of the stack operator. The priorities are equal, so it is pushed onto the stack, right? again next operand W. So once again W will be added to the prefix expression, then star. So once again the star and the slash will be compared, both are having equal priority, equal precedence. So star will be pushed onto the stack. So your stack becomes plus star slash slash star, and the string is QTUVW. Yet another something is remaining. Now after star, the next symbol was closing parenthesis. So this closing parenthesis will be pushed onto the stack as it is, because we will now, since we have reversed the expression, we will first encounter closing parenthesis and then we will encounter opening parenthesis. So when we have encountered closing parenthesis, we will just go on till we encounter opening parenthesis. So this closing parenthesis is pushed onto the stack. Then next symbol is taken, P is operand, so P is added here. Then another symbol raised to the power, exponential power, that is taken. So once again this closing parenthesis is having higher precedence. So this closing exponential is added onto the stack. Next is O. So O is added to the prefix. Now you have encountered opening parenthesis. So what you will do, you will go on removing the symbol from the stack till you encounter closing parenthesis. So what you have encountered first, this is exponential power. So that we have popped and added to the string. And then we encountered closing parenthesis. So that's all. Okay, only one operator was there in between opening and closing parenthesis, as you see here. That only one operator was there. So that operator now we have popped up. Okay. Then again, what is happening now? Plus is coming. Okay. Now since plus is coming, it will be compared with the top of the stack. On the top of the stack, what is there? Star is there. So star is having higher precedence and plus is having lower precedence. So you will pop this and you will add this to the expression prefix. Okay, here star. Then next, this plus will be compared with next, which is on the top of the stack, slash. So again slash is having higher precedence, so it will be popped. Then next is again slash, higher precedence as compared to plus, so it will be popped. And star, again higher precedence as compared to plus, so it will be popped. So the star slash slash star are popped, and then you will encounter with plus. Your incoming is plus and the top of the stack is plus. Both are having equal priority precedence, so that will be pushed onto the stack. Okay, got it? Any doubt in this so far?
No, sir.
Hello, sir. Can you repeat this step?
Yeah, I will repeat. Okay, fine. So I will start from this slide. When you encountered closing parenthesis, that means there will be at some stage an opening parenthesis, right? So I am pushing that closing parenthesis as it is here. Fine. Then I am repeating the same thing. I am reading the symbol. It is operand. I am adding that operand to the top into the prefix expression. Then I encountered with exponential symbol. So that is added because here closing is there. So you have to simply add because parentheses are having highest precedence. Okay, but you will go on till you will encounter the another opening parenthesis. So no comparison will be there. Slash the caret will be directly pushed onto the stack because the top of the stack is closing parenthesis. Then another symbol O is taken, which will be added at the end. Now you have encountered opening parenthesis, right? You have encountered this opening parenthesis. Fine. So what you will do, you will go on popping all the symbols on the stack till you encounter closing parenthesis. So there was only single symbol here, right? Only caret was there, means rest to the power was there. So that we have popped here. You can see here that we have popped and added to the prefix expression. And we have discarded opening parenthesis. Now the next symbol which you have read is plus. Okay. So now on the top of the stack, what is there in the stack? Plus, star, slash, slash, star is there on the top of it. This plus will be compared with the top of the stack now. Now this plus is having lower precedence as compared to star, multiply, and multiply is having higher precedence. So what we will do, we have to first perform higher precedence. So this star will be popped, right? Then what will remain? Slash will remain here. Okay, so again this plus will be compared with the slash. Again slash is having higher precedence, so slash will be popped. Then it will be compared with another slash which is on the top of the stack. Again, as compared to plus, this slash is having higher precedence, so it will be popped. And again it will compare with star. So once again plus and star, plus is having lower precedence as compared to star, so star will be popped, and then this plus will be compared with plus. Now both are having equal precedence, so this plus won't be popped, rather this plus will be pushed onto the stack. So now your stack will become plus plus, and all the symbols which were there on the top of the stack, they are added here, star, slash, slash, star. Got it?
Yes, sir. Yeah.
Yeah. So now in the stack you are having 2 plus plus sign, and now again n is taken, so n is added here, then star is taken. Now again this star will be compared with the top of the stack. What is here? Plus. Star is having higher precedence, so it will be pushed onto the stack, right? If this operator is having less precedence than the operator here, then this operator will be popped. But what is the case here? Star is having higher precedence, so this star is uh, pushed onto the stack. Then next is m, which is operand, so it will be simply added to the fixed expression. Then minus. Now what is this? Minus and star will be compared, right? So minus having low precedence as compared to star, so this star will be popped, and it will be added to the prefix expression, right? It will be added to the prefix expression. So this star is coming here. This minus is compared with the next plus. So minus and plus both are having same precedence. So this minus is pushed onto the stack, right? Then L. So L is operand, so it will be added to the end of the stack. Then plus. So again this plus will be compared with this minus having equal precedence. So this plus is pushed onto the stack. Then the last symbol K is red, which is added to the top of the stack. So now the expression is over here. So whatever is remaining in the stack, that will be popped. So what is remaining? Plus, minus, plus, plus. So this plus, minus, plus, plus are added to the prefix expression, right? So now whatever you are getting this expression, okay, this is not the final expression. Okay, for getting the final expression you have to reverse this expression. So what this expression will become now? You have to read from right to left. So plus, plus, minus, plus, K, L, star, M, N, star, slash, slash, star, caret, O, P, W, U, V, T, Q. So this is the final prefix expression. This is the final prefix expression. So the process is very simple. I will just explain you the algorithm, and then I will take one more example for better clarification, right? So what is the algorithm? Whatever expression is given, the first thing which you have to do is to reverse the infix expression, right? Whatever infix expression is given to you, you have to simply reverse the infix expression. Then the expression will be scanned one by one from left to right. You have to keep in mind that I have to scan from left to right. And whenever the operand is there, right, you have to add it to the prefix expression. Okay, you have to add it to the prefix expression. And if the operator arrives, right, and at first what will happen? At the first, the stack will be empty, so you have to simply push the operator onto the stack. But if the incoming operator is higher precedence, right, than the top of the stack, then what we will do? We will push. Incoming is having higher, then we will push. Even if it is same, then also we will push. If it is higher, then we will push. If it is same, then also we will push in both the cases. If it is greater than equal to. But if the incoming operator is having lower precedence, then what we will do? We will pop the operator from the top of the stack, right? That we will pop, and again we will compare the incoming operator with the operator which is at the top of stack. One we have removed. Now again we will compare. So this thing will continue till the top of the stack will have a lower precedence or equal precedence, right? So as long as it is having equal precedence, till then it will going on popping the operator from the stack that we have seen here, right? I will just discard it. I will just rerun this. Here you can see when this plus is just a minute. When this plus is encountered, it is compared with the top of the stack. So this is having higher precedence star, so it is pop. Then what is remaining on the top of stack? Slash. Again this plus will compare with the slash. Again this slash is having higher precedence, it will be popped. Next is slash. Again it is having higher precedence, it will be popped. Again star. Again it will be popped. Then this plus will compare with the plus. So it is having same precedence. So if it is having same precedence, we will push onto the top of the stack, right? We won't pop the previous symbol, rather we will push the coming symbol onto the stack. Getting? So this is how the algorithm works. Now what we will do, we will consider one example and then we will go for the evaluation of the expression. So let us consider infix expression first. Right? So suppose we will take some simple example. B star C slash D. Right? What is the example? A plus B star C slash D. So what I will do? What is the first step? Can anyone tell me?
Reverse the infix
Reverse this.
expression.
So yes, so it will become D slash C star B plus C. Okay, correct? D slash C star B plus A. So this is my infix expression. This is my stack, and this is my prefix expression. Okay. Now what I will do first, I will read this symbol D. Okay. So D is a symbol operand. So I will add to the prefix. Sorry, D I will add. Then I got another symbol slash which is operator. Now my stack is empty, so I will simply put this slash onto the stack. Then I will read C. C is a operand, so I will add it to the prefix. So D was there, to the D C will be added. Then star is there, so star will be compared with the top of the stack. What is the top of the stack? Slash. Both are having equal precedence. So we will push the symbol onto the top of stack. So the stack will become now slash and star. Then the next symbol is what? B. So B is operand. So it will be added to the prefix. So the operand will be prefix will become now DCB. Then what is there? Plus. Now this plus is operator. So it will be compared with what? Star. So now star is having higher precedence as compared to plus. So I will pop the star and add to the prefix. Again, this plus will be compared with the next symbol which is on the top of the stack now. slash. So this is again having what? Higher precedence than compared to plus. So we will pop the symbol. Now there is no more symbol here. So this plus will be pushed onto the stack and now stack will become plus. Then you will go for next symbol, that is C. So the it will be added DCB star slash C. And now the string is end here. So what is remaining onto the stack? Plus. So this plus will be append to the prefix. Okay. So
Hello,
now,
sir. It
yeah,
should be A.
Sir, there will be A.
where? Ah,
वो
yes,
सी की जगह
Sir, B plus A.
A. Sorry, yeah, B plus A. I was just checking whether you are reading my screen or not.
यस सर वी आर रीडिंग
Yeah, yeah, yeah. That's because of that only you are able to save it. Fine, thank you. So now this is the prefix expression which we got in the expression. Now what is the last step? The last step is what?
Reverse.
Again to reverse this expression. So this will become plus A slash star B C D. Right? We are doing reverse of this. So this is your prefix expression. Now manually also you can see that here if we go from left to right, the plus and star is having higher and C is also slash is also having higher. So what we can do here, I can do star BC first, right? And then plus and slash, which is having higher, slash is having higher. So slash, and I will write D here, and then plus and A. So plus A, I will write here. So see, plus A slash star BCD, plus A slash star BCD. Okay. So manually also you can do, but manually you have to continuously observe the operands and keep those things in mind. Then only you will be able to do this. But if it is small, then it is fine. But if it is big expression, then we should follow the algorithm, and then we will get at the end of algorithm this prefix expression. Understood? Or shall we have one more example?
वन मोर
Yes,
One
sir.
more.
One more.
Okay, fine. So now let us have some parenthesis in this now. Say A plus B minus D star C divided by D. Fine. Or something else I should write here once again, or this is fine?
फाइन
Fine. Okay. So the very first step is what? The very first step is what? To reverse the string. So this will become D, then slash, then closing parenthesis, then multiply, sorry, C, right? C, then multiply B minus B, then opening parenthesis plus A. Any doubt in this? Correct, na? First D slash closing C star D minus B opening plus A. Fine. So now we will write three columns here: infix, stack, and prefix. Right. So first symbol is D, right? So D I will push. I will add to the prefix. Then slash is there. Stack is empty. So slash will be pushed onto the stack. D will remain as it is. Then closing parenthesis. So once again, I will directly push the closing parenthesis onto the stack. D will remain as it is. Now, after that, C is there. So C is operand. So the prefix will become DC. Then star is there. So again, star is here because since it is a closing parenthesis, we will push that onto the stack. So this will become star and this will become DC as it is. Then, sorry, डी 2 बार ले लिया क्या मैंने? अच्छा अच्छा सॉरी।
बी है सर।
हाँ, ये डी को क्या करता हूँ मैं, ये डी को ई कर देता हूँ, राइट। ये डी को ई कर देता हूँ, ये डी को ऐसे ही रहने देता हूँ, और डी स्टार यहाँ पे क्या करता हूँ, इसको ई कर देता हूँ, राइट। तो अब मैंने ई पढ़ा, ठीक है ना, क्योंकि डी 2 बार आ जाएगा ना, इसलिए मैं थोड़ा अवॉइड कर रहा हूँ उसको, और कुछ तो वो भी लिखा तो कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं, बट जस्ट रीडिंग में अपने को तकलीफ नहीं होना चाहिए, इसलिए अपन ई लिखते हैं यहाँ पर। तो ई सी ई ऑपरेंड है ई, फिर उसके बाद में क्या है, माइनस। अब माइनस क्या होगा, किससे कंपेयर होगा, ये स्टार से कंपेयर होगा, तो स्टार का प्रेसिडेंस हाइयर है, राइट। तो स्टार बाहर आ जाएगा, मतलब यहाँ पे क्या हो जाएगा, डी सी ई स्टार आ जाएगा। फिर उसके बाद में ये क्लोजिंग आया है आपका, राइट, तो आप स्टॉप हो जाओगे क्योंकि ओपनिंग अभी एनकाउंटर नहीं हुआ, और माइनस को पुश कर दोगे, तो ये स्लैश क्लोजिंग स्टार निकल गया है, माइनस यहाँ पे आ जाएगा। अब उसके बाद में क्या है आपका, बी है, तो बी ऑपरेंड है, तो डी सी ई बी सॉरी स्टार और बी आ गया आपका, राइट। उसके बाद में आपका क्या आया, ओपनिंग आया, राइट। जब ओपनिंग आता है क्या करना है हमें, जितना भी स्टैक में क्लोजिंग तक एनकाउंटर होगा वो बाहर निकालना है, तो क्या बाहर आएगा, माइनस आएगा बाहर, राइट। उसके बाद में स्टैक में क्या बचा, केवल स्लैश बचा। उसके बाद में क्या है, स्लैश, राइट, क्या है, नहीं सॉरी क्या है, प्लस 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 है ना, ये ओपनिंग के बाद में क्या है आपका यहाँ पर, प्लस है। अब ये जो प्लस है ये किससे कंपेयर होगा, ये स्लैश से कंपेयर होगा, तो स्लैश की प्रायोरिटी ज़्यादा है, तो व्हाट आई विल डू, आई विल पॉप दिस स्लैश एंड आई विल पुश प्लस onto the stack, and then the last symbol I will read is A, so A is appended here, and then end of the string, so what is remaining onto the top of the stack, plus, so I will write plus here, right. So this has become the prefix expression. What is the last step, last step is to reverse the expression, so what it will become now, plus A slash minus B star C E D, right. Okay, so first what will happen, E multiply by E होगा, ये स्टार आया ना, तो सबसे पहले क्या होगा, C into E होगा, राइट, C into E होगा, ये स्टार हट जाएगा, फिर B और D में क्या है, माइनस है ना, ये B यहाँ पे आ जाएगा, ये D आ जाएगा, और ये माइनस है। सो बराबर बोल रहा हूँ ना मैं, क्योंकि ओपनिंग पैरेंथेसिस है ना, तो डी माइनस, हाँ यस
सर पहले ई आएगा ना फिर सी ना,
कहाँ पर ये आएगा, हाँ ईसी
Yes,
सी
sir.
एक ही बात है, ठीक है एक ही बात है वो, आप इन्हें ईसी लिखो या सी लिखो, बात एक ही है, ठीक है, ईसी, तो बी माइनस ईसी हो जाएगी, ये माइनस बी और ईसी है ना, तो ये क्या हो जाएगा, बी माइनस ईसी हो गया आपका, तो आपको यहाँ पे बी माइनस ईसी मिल गया। अब उसके बाद में क्या है, स्लैश है, तो ये बी माइनस ई सी और यहाँ पे क्या ऑपरेंड है, डी, ये दोनों के बीच में कौन सा ऑपरेशन परफॉर्म होगा, स्लैश का, तो बी माइनस ई सी अपॉन डी हो गया। उसके बाद में क्या है, ए और प्लस है, तो ये एक ऑपरेंड है, ये एक ऑपरेंड है, और क्या सिंबल है, प्लस, तो क्या हो गया, ए प्लस बी माइनस ई सी डिवाइड बाई डी हो गया, राइट। समझ में आया, हेलो,
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Clear.
एनी डाउट,
No, sir.
no, so you just keep this thing in mind, which one, yeah, this was our expression na? What was our expression, plus A slash minus B star ECD, yeah, B star ECD, बराबर, yes. And what was the expression, our expression was A plus in bracket B minus E into C divided by D, that was expression, a plus b minus e into c divided by d. That was our expression. This was our infix and this is our prefix, right? Now if we want to evaluate this is not in syllabus, actually we are having only postfix evaluation, but just for example I will explain this thing also. So if I want to evaluate this expression, what I will do, once again I will do the reverse of this string. This is in prefix expression, I will do reverse. So when you will do reverse, what will happen? B C E star B minus slash A plus. Okay. So again, what we will do, same thing. I will consider this string expression stack and output. Now, for example, I will consider the value of D. Say, okay, instead of value, first let us do this. So, what is the algorithm? The algorithm says if the incoming is operand, right? What is incoming now? D is operand. So, if operand is there, push it onto the stack. Next is what? C. So, C is again operand, push it onto the stack. Next is what? E. E is again operand pushed onto the stack. Okay. Now, what is the next operand? Star. So when you next symbol is star, so when the next symbol is operator, what you have to do? You have to pop the two operands from the top of the stack. This will be operand 2 and this will be operand 1. So C into E. C into E will take place here. C into E will take place. When an operator is encountered, you have to pop the two symbol and you have to perform the operation on those two operands. So we have encountered with star, then we are popping the two operands and we are performing the multiplication on that. So we will get first E into C, right? We will get first E into C. Then the next, which is B. Okay, so you will get B here, and you have to put this answer back onto the stack, right? So what will be now on the top of the stack? D was there, and this C into E will be there, or E into C, right? E into C, you can say here E into C. So again B is coming, so B will be pushed onto the stack. This B is coming, then minus is coming, so minus is there, so minus is operator. So you will, so sorry, this is operand 1, this is operand 2. So you will pop B and you will pop E into C and you will perform operation minus. So what will be done? B minus E into C will be done, right? Okay, and this is pushed onto the stack back. So you will have onto the stack B minus E into C and this D, once again D will be there. Then what is the next is slash. So once again these two operands will be pushed. One is B minus E into C.
Yes, sir.
Yes. Hello.
सर जैसे B माइनस C इंटू ये वैसे अगर C इंटू E माइनस B रहेगा तो भी चलेगा.
B into
C इंटू E माइनस B.
हाँ वो ठीक है, मैंने जस्ट वो क्या किया यहाँ पर, ये जो E है ना, ये जो निकाला पहले वो ऑपरेंड 1 है और ये ऑपरेंड 2 है. सो ऑपरेंड 1 इंटू 2, मल्टीप्लाई के वक्त कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ेगा, लेकिन डिवाइड के वक्त फर्क पड़ेगा ना. डिवाइड के वक्त आपको ऑपरेंड्स कोई भी नहीं लेते आएगा, बराबर, क्योंकि 5/2 और 2/5 दोनों में फर्क है, जबकि 5 इंटू 2 एंड 2 इंटू 5 में फर्क नहीं है. सो फॉर मल्टीप्लीकेशन द order is not important, but definitely for division the order is important. Okay, for addition order is not important, but for subtraction order is important. So you have to keep those things into mind. So what I will do, I will just rewrite this. थोड़ा प्रॉब्लम आ गया यहाँ पर, तो अपन क्या करेंगे, वैल्यूज ले लेंगे. एक मिनट, मैं दोबारा लिखता हूँ. प्लस ए स्लैश माइनस बी स्टार स्लैश माइनस बी स्टार और टीसीडी टीसीडी, ये अपना क्या था, प्रीफिक्स था ना। अब वैल्यूज ले लेते हैं हम लोग यहाँ पर और क्या करते हैं इसका, ये अपना एक्सप्रेशन है ना ये, तो ए की वैल्यू अगर मैं 10 लेता हूँ प्लस बी की वैल्यू मैं सपोज 20 लेता हूँ और ई की 4 लेता हूँ, सी की 5 लेता हूँ और डी की 2 लेता हूँ फॉर एग्जांपल। ओके सॉरी, इसकी 2 लेता हूँ, ई की भी 2 ले लेता हूँ ताकि आंसर मिले हमको, कुछ जीरो ना आए बीच में। 2 लेता हूँ, इसका आंसर क्या आएगा आपका अभी 20 माइनस 2 इंटू 5, 20 माइनस 10 है ना, डिवाइड बाई 2 और 10 प्लस, तो 20 माइनस 10, सॉरी ये ऐसा है, 20 माइनस 10 कितना हुआ, 10 बाई 2 5, 5 प्लस 10 इज इक्वल टू 15। ठीक है, वैल्यूज क्या ली मैंने 10 20 2 5 2, ए की वैल्यू 10, बी की 20, ई की 2, सी की 5 और डी की 2 वैल्यू, राइट। अब इवेल्यूट करते हैं वैल्यू से, मतलब वो बी माइनस ई सी वगैरह लिखने की जरूरत नहीं पड़ेगी। सो फिर से रिवर्स करेंगे हम इसको, हमारा पहला पर्पस क्या है, रिवर्स करना। तो हम क्या करेंगे, डी सी ई मल्टीप्लाई बी माइनस स्लैश ए प्लस, यहाँ पर मैं इनकी वैल्यू पुट कर देता हूँ। डी की वैल्यू कितनी है 2, सी की वैल्यू कितनी है 5, ई की वैल्यू कितनी है 2 मल्टीप्लाई बी की वैल्यू कितनी है 20 माइनस स्लैश ए की वैल्यू कितनी है 10, राइट। वैल्यूज ले लेता हूँ, तो अब एक्सप्रेशन स्टैक और आउटपुट ऑपरेशन जो भी होगा, सबसे पहले क्या है 2, सो 2 क्या है, ऑपरेंड है, पुश ऑन टू द स्टैक। उसके बाद में क्या है 5, 5 क्या है, ऑपरेंड है, पुश करो स्टैक पे। 2 और 5 मतलब ऐसा लिखेंगे, 2 भी है 5 भी है, वापस आया 2, तो 2 5 2 स्टैक पे आ गया। उसके बाद में क्या है, मल्टीप्लाई आया। तो आप क्या करोगे, जब मल्टीप्लाई लोगे ना, तो अब ये दो ऑपरेंड पॉप करेंगे आप, 2 और 5। सो 2 पॉप करेंगे पहले और बाद में 5 पॉप करेंगे, सो 2 इंटू 5, आंसर क्या है आपका 10। ये 10 आप क्या करेंगे, स्टैक में पुश करेंगे, तो स्टैक में क्या आएगा 2 और 10, राइट। अब क्या आया 20, ठीक है, अगला ऑपरेंड, तो 2 10 20। फिर क्या है आपका माइनस, तो फिर से क्या करेंगे आप, ये दो पॉप करेंगे, 20 माइनस 10, क्या आंसर आया 10, 10 को पॉप पुश कर देंगे, सो आंसर 210, ठीक है। फिर क्या है आपका डिवाइड ना, डिवाइड आया, राइट। फिर से आप क्या करेंगे, ये 10 लेंगे, डिवाइड बाय 2 करेंगे, आंसर क्या है 5, 5 को आप पुश कर देंगे स्टैक पे। फिर क्या आया 10, राइट। फिर 10 को आप पुश कर देंगे स्टैक पे, 5 10, और फिर क्या आया आखिर में प्लस, तो आप क्या करेंगे 10 प्लस 5 कितना है आंसर 15, 15 को पुश कर देंगे स्टैक पे। फिर क्या हो आपका एंड हो गया, जैसे ही एंड हो गया स्ट्रिंग, जो भी टॉप ऑफ द स्टैक है उसको बाहर ले लेंगे आप, आपको क्या मिल गया 15 मिल गया, सो आंसर इज 15। समझ में आया?
Yes, sir.
हेलो, सो व्हाट इज द प्रोसेस, अगर ऑपरेंड आता है सो डायरेक्टली पुश इट ऑन टू द स्टैक, एनी ऑपरेटर इज कमिंग, pop the two operand, perform the operation and store the result back onto the stack. Repeat this till the expression ends. And when the expression is over, whatever remains in the stack, that is your answer, right? Whatever remains in the stack, that is your answer. So 15 is the answer. So any problem in this? So what you
No,
can
sir.
do for practice purpose, you can form your own expression, prepare the own expression, right? Convert into either postfix or prefix by the algorithm, and then you can evaluate. The algorithm for evaluating postfix expression is same as that of prefix. Only thing is that in prefix we do the reverse operation, which is not done in postfix expression. So let us evaluate one postfix expression also, right? So I will write the same expression, say a plus in bracket b minus e into c divided by d. Now let us first convert into postfix. Can anyone tell me the answer of postfix for this expression? Yes. Can anyone convert this into postfix now? I'm not talking about prefix. कैसे होगा इसका? A B मॅडम लेक्चर मध्ये 10:15 लेक्चर संपतो. हेलो हेलो यस, कैन एनीवन टेल मी द आंसर? A B और क्या आएगा? E क्या आएगा? C क्या आएगा? स्टार क्या आएगा? माइनस क्या आएगा? स्लैश माइनस क्या आएगा? डी डी आएगा ना? डी आएगा, फिर स्लैश, फिर ए, फिर प्लस, राइट? ऐसे ही आएगा ना? एम आई राइट? ठीक है, देख लेते, इसको इवेल्युएट करके समझ में आ जाएगा वापस. यस, सॉरी ए नहीं आएगा, बराबर, सॉरी. स्लैश के बाद में क्या आएगा? प्लस आएगा. डी स्लैश प्लस, बराबर ना?
यस सर.
देखो वापस लिखता हूँ मैं, ए बी ई सी स्टार माइनस बी स्लैश प्लस. ओके, सो ए की वैल्यू क्या ली थी हमने अपने तब? ए वॉज 10, बी वॉज 20, ए वॉज 10, बी वॉज 20, सी वॉज ई वॉज 252, सी आपका 2, बी आपका 5, सॉरी ई आपका 2, C was 5 and D was 2. ठीक है. सो A की वैल्यू कितनी थी आपकी? 10, B की वैल्यू 20, E की वैल्यू 2, C की वैल्यू 5, मल्टीप्लाई माइनस D की वैल्यू 2 स्लैश प्लस. ओके, सो वंस अगेन द सेम एल्गोरिथम, बस इसमें रिवर्स करने की जरूरत नहीं है. जो भी अपना एक्सप्रेशन है एज इट इज यू विल कंसीडर. सो फर्स्ट यू विल रीड 10 ऑपरेंड है, पुश कर देंगे. 20 ऑपरेंड है, पुश कर देंगे. 2 ऑपरेंड है, पुश कर देंगे. 5 ऑपरेंड है, पुश कर देंगे. फिर क्या आया? मल्टीप्लाई. मल्टीप्लाई जब भी आएगा तो 2 ऑपरेंड्स आप पॉप करेंगे. 2 इंटू 5, आंसर क्या आया? 10. 10 को आप पुश कर देंगे तो आपके स्टैक में क्या था? 10 था, 20 था, और अब नया रिजल्ट क्या आया? 10 आ गया. फिर उसके बाद में क्या आया? माइनस, राइट? माइनस आया. माइनस भी क्या है? ऑपरेटर है. सो 20 माइनस 10 हो जाएगा. 20 माइनस 10, आंसर क्या आएगा? 10. तो वापस यहाँ पे 10 और ये 10 आ गया. फिर क्या आया? 2 आया, राइट? उसके बाद माइनस में 2 आया, तो आप पुश कर देंगे स्टैक पे, ऑपरेंड है इसकी. फिर क्या है? स्लैश. तो फिर से ऑपरेंड पॉप करेंगे. 10 डिवाइड बाई 2 5, और उसके बाद में क्या है? आंसर 5 स्टोर कर देंगे आप यहाँ पर, और आया प्लस. सो 10 प्लस 5, आंसर क्या है? 15. पुश कर देंगे स्टैक पे, और फिर एंड हो गया. वॉट एवर एट द टॉप ऑफ द स्टैक यू हैव टू दिस. केवल दोनों में फ़र्क क्या है? प्रीफिक्स में जो पहले करेंगे आप उसको OP1 बोलेंगे, जो बाद में करेंगे उसको OP2 बोलेंगे प्रीफिक्स में, राइट? लेकिन पोस्टफिक्स में जो पहले करेंगे उसको OP2 बोलेंगे, जो बाद में करेंगे उसको OP1 बोलेंगे. पोस्टफिक्स में पहले जो भी करेंगे आप उसको OP2 बोलेंगे, ऑपरेंड 2, और बाद में जो करेंगे उसको OP1 बोलेंगे. दैट इज द ओनली डिफरेंस बिटवीन प्रीफिक्स एंड पोस्टफिक्स. ओके, इसलिए मैंने यहाँ पे देखो 20 10 था तो 20 माइनस 10 किया ना, तो जो पहले लिया उसको OP2 बनाया, जो बाद में लिया उसको OP1 बनाया, बस दैट इज द ओनली डिफरेंस, अदरवाइज बोथ इवैल्यूएशन एल्गोरिथम्स आर सेम, देयर इज नो डिफरेंस इन दिस. So what we have seen now, we have seen infix to prefix conversion and we have seen postfix evaluation. Also we have seen infix evaluation also. So is there any problem in this?
No, sir.
Anyone?
Sir.
Anyone have any problem?
Hello, sir.
Ah,
So
yeah.
I have a doubt.
Ah,
Uh, so for while considering infix expression, we are actually considering those brackets. But
yeah.
while getting the final postfix or prefix,
Ah,
we don't have like brackets.
right,
But
right,
do we
right.
have to consider
No, no,
while
no, no. See,
evaluating?
see, that is why, na. Because opening and closing parentheses don't have any operations. They are not any operations, right? As compared to
Yes, sir.
plus, minus, star, slash. So they won't come into the expression at all, either in prefix or in infix. They won't come. So that is the advantage of prefix infix, na, that there are no brackets. Directly you have to consider the operators and operand. That's all. Because if the expression is infix or prefix, then we don't have to think of precedence, because already while conversion we have think of that precedence, and and we consider brackets only at the time of precedence only, not at the time of operations, because in prefix or postfix what is happening, we are eliminating this opening and closing parenthesis either in prefix or in postfix, because parenthesis doesn't represent any operations. They are there only for the sake of precedence. Say for example, if you consider this, just a minute. Just like say A plus B star, sorry, what I will do, B star A plus C, right? Suppose this is my expression. So what you should do first, addition should be done, na? And then multiplication. So what I will do, I will write BAC plus star, right? BAC plus star. Now for writing this, I have considered this parenthesis, right? For writing the converting the postfix expression, I have considered the precedence of this opening and closing parenthesis, because this star is having less precedence as compared to opening parenthesis. That's why this plus is coming first in postfix as compared to star. But if it would have like this, B star A plus C, then what would have come? B A star plus C, sorry, C plus, है ना? B A star C plus, ऐसा आता था. But because of this opening closing parenthesis, what has come? BAC plus first is there because of this precedence of opening and closing parenthesis as compared to star, and then star has come. Okay. So while you evaluate the expression or while you write the expression, opening and closing are eliminated, because already the care is taken of that while writing the operators here, right? देखो यहाँ पर ओपनिंग क्लोजिंग था, इसके लिए प्लस पहले आ गया, यहाँ पे ओपनिंग क्लोजिंग नहीं था, इसके लिए पहले स्टार आ गया. So that care is taken. So in any expression, maybe prefix or postfix, you won't find any opening closing parenthesis, because we have treated them while conversion, right? Because in this expression, we simply want to evaluate this expression. We don't want to now do anything else in this. So for evaluation purpose, there is no meaning of opening and closing parenthesis as far as operations are concerned. And due care is taken of opening and closing parenthesis here. Plus has come first because of this opening closing parenthesis, right? So any doubt? Doubt is cleared?
Yes, sir. Yeah, clear now.
Okay, fine.
So I have one more doubt. Like while implementing this algorithm, So, like, how do we have to consider those their precedence? Like, do we have can we take a list and then assign them each
Yeah,
number,
yeah.
and then we can
What we
compare?
need to do, I will tell you. While writing the program, we will assign the, say for example, plus. एक minute. What I will do, plus and minus. We will assign priority 1. Multiply and divide. We will assign priority 2. Right? Caret. We will assign priority 3. Opening or closing. We will assign priority 4. Like this, we can assign priority, and then we can compare the priorities. Okay. So for writing the code is different thing. Okay. For writing the code, you have to consider, you have to add some more logic. But as far as algorithm is concerned, as I told you that algorithms are written in natural language. Here, we won't give any implementation detail that how this code will be implemented. That we won't do. Now, if I say if the operator is having greater precedence, if incoming operator is having greater precedence than outgoing operator, ऐसा बोलेंगे. So this is natural language. I will write is having same or greater precedence. But if you want to implement it, then definitely you have to use some logic to assign priorities, and then we can compare. What if the operator is plus? Then I will say first get priority level. This function I will write, and then I will get the priority level of plus. Right? I will write this a get p plus, then get p star. Okay, so you will get priority here. One, you will get priority here, right? So the precedence of this is higher. Okay, so in this way we have to implement it, right? So implementation part is altogether different. Fine. So when we are talking about algorithm, we won't think of implementation part, and you should not think, because the moment you think of implementation part, what will happen? Your algorithm will get affected. Okay. So while writing algorithm, don't think of that implementation part. Okay. So I
Okay,
will
sir.
just
Yeah.
take the attendance fast so that the time is over. I think.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, just I will be very fast. Be fast, all of you. A division, 1, 2,
Yes, sir.
3, 4, 5, 7, 8, 9.
Yes, sir.
हाँ ओके ओके एंड आई एम जस्ट राइटिंग 10 11 इसका मिस हुआ तो बताना मेरे को, बाकी मत बोलो आप. 12 13 16 18 19 20 21 22 24 29 30 33 33 34 37 38 40 42 43. A division. Now B division, 1 3 4 5 6 8 9 10 14 17 9 10 13 17 18 21 22 23 24. That's all. 43 students are there. Fine. So we will meet tomorrow with another topic, Q, as compared to stack. Fine. Thank you.